Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can integrate IDM to your Mozilla Firefox browser. To get started, simply click on these three lines, then click on extensions and themes. Then in the search box type IDM integration module and hit enter. From the search results, click on this option and click add to Firefox. Now if you want to use IDM in private windows, then checkmark this box and simply click on add. That's it. Now open IDM, go to options and make sure the Mozilla Firefox option is tick mark here and save the change. Now you can download any file using IDM in your Firefox browser. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.